Today, we are going to create this realistic eye movement animation on Alight Motion. We are going to use vector shapes to create the eyes, circle shapes for the eyeballs and face, and lastly, we will bring them to life by animating them with keyframes. If you're ready to learn, let's get started. First of all, add the rectangle shape to make a background. Go to the color option and make a dark blue gradient color. Now we are going to use the vector tool to draw the eyes. Watch carefully as I draw the lines first. Go to this point and click here to turn it into a curve. Now go to this top point and also turn it into a curve and follow my steps. Looks good, right? Add a circle shape and adjust the size to make it a little bigger to fit the eye layout. Duplicate the circle layer and change the color to black. Adjust the size to make it smaller. Now, change the eye layout color to this dark gradient color. Add another circle shape and make it really small. Change this circle's color to white. Select the white and black circle and make them a group. Rename it to eyeball. Now go to the little white circle layer and link it to the eyeball. Wherever the eyeball moves, it follows. Duplicate the eye layout and move it to the top of all the layers. and change the color to this dark gradient color. We name it to eyelid because it covers the eye. It's time to animate it. Go to the eyelid layer and click on the edit points option. Click on this shape that looks like a keyframe at the top right corner of your screen. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Add another keyframe at 1.05 seconds. Now move this point up at this keyframe to create an eye-opening animation. Go to the keyframe animation graph and set the curve like this for a smooth animation. Add another keyframe at 2.08 seconds and move this point down. And another keyframe at 3.05 seconds and move this point up again. Move this keyframe a little bit to the right at 3.10 seconds. Now go to the keyframe animation graph and copy this curve. Paste it to all keyframes. This will make all the keyframes have the same type of curve. Add another keyframe at 4.05 seconds. Another one at 4.10 seconds. Again at 1.15 seconds. And another one at 4.20 seconds. And lastly at 4.25 seconds. Go to 4.1 seconds and move the points down. And go to 4.20 seconds and also move the points down again. This will create a blinking animation. Looks very realistic, right? Let's animate the eyeball. Go to the eyeball layer and add a keyframe at 0 seconds. First of all, make the eyeball a clipping mask. Add another keyframe at 1.05 seconds, another one at 2 seconds, again at 3 seconds, and the last one at 4 seconds. Go to 1.05 seconds and move the eyeball down like this. Now, paste the keyframe curve we copied last time to all keyframes on this layer. Go to the next keyframe at 3 seconds and move it to the right like this. To make the animation a bit longer, go to 6.10 seconds and add a keyframe. Then go to 8.05 seconds to add another keyframe. Now go back to the keyframe at 6.10 seconds and move the eyeball up like this. and paste the curve we copied to all keyframes again. Go to 8.05 seconds and trim all the layers. We are done with our eye animation. Now we will have to duplicate the eye into 2 to make it more realistic. Select all the eye layer properties and make them a group. Zoom out for a full view. Now go to the group layer and adjust the size to make it a little bit smaller. Duplicate this group and move it to the right like this. It now looks more realistic, like human eyes. The eyes look kind of scary, you know, when they look straight into your own eyes. You can feel it, right? Add a circle shape and increase the size to this way. Now make this type of gradient color and move it down like this. I will just rename it to face. If you want the animation to last a little bit longer, just select the eyes and the face and make them a group. Duplicate it and drag it to where the animation ends. Export it. And your eye animation is ready to use in your videos. If you would like to see more of my tutorials, give this video a like and subscribe now to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell